ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If I refer to my last analysis when the price was within this, we mentioned is we can expect this one turn to deeper correction. But if we get any reversal, we can look for buy because we mentioned we want to put in relative to this as a flat. But as we can see, most of the charts we get this down move sharp and the price reverse and see the price break the previous low. Okay, right now we want to see if we move to 15 minute, the way the price is dropping is really sharp. No, if we get a correction here, maybe we can look for consider if to look for buy. But as we can see the price dropping, mostly we can expect the price will retest the low. Okay, that's why if we wants to look for trade for buy, we the best is we wait because I see some of the traders they was keep asking, okay, because of the drop they were asking whether they should look for buy or not. What I can see here, what we get was a really sharp move down and reversal. Most of the charts we get this down move. That means there is no much changes. Still we are within this correction. The only way we can look for buy if we consider this one as a based on lower time frame as a sharp move. If we get a correction here, maybe we can look for trade setup to look for buy. But right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. We have to wait. Even we get this sharp move, we have to wait a few more hours to see what's the next. Okay, even if we move to 15 minutes. That's why if we want to look for buy, maybe we consider we wait if we get a flag here, we can then from there we can look for short-term buy. Okay, the best things if we want to look for buy, we get the trade setup based on 1 hour chart. As I mentioned, we don't have any trades yet. Okay, how about if the price sharply continue from here? The only way is right now we can have entry above this, which is 1.77. We put it around 1.77. All right, but what we want in case the price sharply continue from here, all right, in case this is the start of the reversal in relative to this. But if we want to have entry above this, first of all is very risky. What we want the price break and continue, because in my last analysis I mentioned having entry above, either above here or even above here. Right now we should know that we are going to buy the AD at the top at the highest price. Then it will be very risky, and if the only times we can't have entry if the price sharply reverse and we want the price break and continue. If the price tag we are not going, even within the first hour we see it's not moving, we take out the trade. Similar as example, okay, if we want to have entry similar to last trade we had, it we mentioned have entry above this, see how the price tag break and continue. We want to see this kind of the move. Okay, anyway, having entry above desktop, having entry above here is really risky. It depends on the trader. So we mentioned what we're looking for. The best things is I wait for another more a few hours. We see what we get here, whether we get the correction for buy or the price can drop some more. But for long term, we can look for this one as a flat, because we were looking for this one. We mentioned if we wants to look for trade, we are expecting to look for the running flat. But right now the price broke the previous low. Now we can look for the expanding. But one thing is, mostly we don't like to trade expanding, because if we consider this one is expanding, the question is how deep it can go. This is the question. This is the difficulty to trade the expanding flat. But right now what we have here, we get this shadow. Okay, that's why still may we can consider the reversal either from here or the price drop a bit more. We get the reversal. May even the price doesn't break the previous low anymore. Okay, by the way, we don't have any trade setup. We wait, we see what we get here, whether we can get the trade setup for buy or not. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.